I didn't have a plan to sell, but I was looking around on Car Gurus and it offered to buy my car. So I filled in the blanks and it gave me an offer. The offer caught my attention. I decided to check out CarMax, but they didn't give an online offer. I see Vroom all the time on Facebook Marketplace, so I decided to try them out. Their offer was almost $1,000 more than Car Gurus. I went ahead with Vroom and got the process started. They requested a payoff document, so I provided one. After, I was emailed the paperwork to e-sign. A few days later, I got an email saying to expect some paperwork coming through FedEx. A couple of days after that, I received a document from FedEx. It was the power of attorney to transfer ownership of the car. I signed it and went and returned it to FedEx the same day. At this point, I decided I'll give the car its last cleaning inside and out. The next day, I got an email saying to expect to be contacted from the carrier within the next day or two. And the next morning, I got a call and a text from the carrier that he was going to be picking up the car later that day. We arranged to meet at a local Walmart as he had another vehicle he needed to pick up, and that'd be more convenient for all of us. Just to cover myself, I went ahead and took pictures of the car in its current condition, and they request to put a dash insert number so the driver can tell what vehicle he's picking up. I met him and handed him over my keys. He looked through the car and did his inspection and gave me the bill of lading. I took pictures of the car with the carrier truck in the background. I emailed the pictures I took and the bill of lading to the Vroom team to request that before any payments will be processed. I didn't get any type of response, so later that night I emailed them again. The next day I got an email saying thank you for the follow-up. A few days go by and I didn't hear anything, but it's New Year's weekend. On Monday I requested an update on the car. The next day I get a reply saying I'll get an update soon. I got the update. It said I'd be getting my payment via direct deposit within the next 1 or 2 days, and that the lien holder would be getting a check through FedEx. The next day, my payment did clear through direct deposit. And then the next day, I got an email saying that my payment has been posted and there's nothing more I need to do. I canceled my insurance and turned my plate in. The total process from start to finish was 15 days. This did include 2 weekends, one being Christmas and one being New Year's. I'd probably sell to them again. It was great owning a Supra.